Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Automart A2B. Today in stock we got this Vauxhall Crossland X 1.2 manual gearbox. It's a really nice car, come with a nice customer. In this video I'll be walking around the car, showing you any wear and tear and also the mileage done by this car. Start off with, we got the automatic LED headlamps, which is nice silver color as well, with black roof as well, with black wing mirrors. Coming to the right hand side of the car, we got 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, which is nice and lovely, not been scuffed or anything by the previous owner. It's been really well looked after. As you can see, got a silver trim going around the car as well. Coming down to the second alloy there, as you can see, it's not been scuffed or anything. And the bodywork's really nice, not been dented as well. So yeah, coming to the rear, we got LED tail lamp, which is really nice. As you can see, condition of this car is really rare. I'll show you the boot space on this car. As you can imagine, really lovely boot space. You do have space for your spare wheel, also the tire repair kit there. The seats do fold down, 60-40 split setting on the seats, and you got storage compartment on both the sides. It's really nice. Coming to the left hand side of the car, it's the third alloy there, not been scuffed or anything, and you can see the body works really nice as well. We've got cloth interior in this car. You can see all 4 electric automatic windows as well, ISOFIX settings on both the sides, and got tons of storage in the center console there. And I'll just show you the last alloy. So yeah, as you can see, really nice and tidy. Let's jump in and I'll show you the interior and the mileage done by this car. So down here we got all 4 automatic windows along with your electric wing mirror function. We have this white cover for this nice pickup there, tons of storage space. You got automatic headlights function with the adjustability just down there, along with the interior lighting as well. So the car's done 4,487 miles, beg my pardon here. So as you can see, you got trip computer just down there along with your headlights, and you got your wing mirrors in here. A multifunction steering wheel on your left, you got your cruise control along with the speed limiter. On the right, you got Bluetooth hands-free function and the volume up and down for your infotainment screen here. You do have touchscreen entertainment, you do have FM, AM, DAB, USB and Bluetooth. Also, USB is just down there for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As you can see, you've got projection as well. You got a locking system there, your hazards, you got your aircon up here, nice and cool here today, even though it's hot outside. 5-speed manual gearbox, a couple of cup holders and storage space there. So yeah, the car's here with us. It's not been even serviced once. It will be serviced by us before it goes out, and along with the minimum 9 months of MOT as well. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.